Hello everyone and welcome. This is Troglodyte from Simple Trade, and today we are going to research a stock whose review is long overdue, EEGI. The stock already ran more than 3000% and continued supplying significant runs ever since. It all started from updates in the OTC Markets on the 8th of May. Phone number and website were updated. In addition to that, Josh Eggleston was added as CEO. From checking his account on LinkedIn, we see that Josh Eggleston is involved in video streaming of extreme sports. He is the CEO of Extreme Channels and a consultant for Extreme Organics. From checking OTC Markets, we can see that the president of the company is Steve Smith, also a president in DKMR, a high-priced MMA and sports entertainment company, broadcasted on multiple big channels including HBO, ESPN, and many more. This led the vigilant traders to believe that there might be a merger or a collaboration coming between a company which was inactive for 3 years and a high-priced broadcasting company. It is a merger and a revival combined. A speculation that I made back in January, but then, of course, it was nothing more than a wild controversial story. Wink wink. And so, 3 weeks after, we see the first official confirmation by Steve and Josh. EEGI is to become current. A week after that, the CEO states that there is a lot in the works and that this is going to be good, which roughly translated to OTC language, you, my dear traders, will like what we have in stock for you. After that, the CEO kept regularly updating the shareholders as to the state of the company, which currently awaits the access to OTC markets. The company has all the filings ready, and news will seemingly start pouring out right after becoming current. It will be exciting to see how the story unfolds here. I hope you have enjoyed the review. Be sure to subscribe and join our Discord community for more valuable content. I wish you all a successful and fruitful trading day.